Image Quality in CD-SEM Metrology, Part 4. The defining characteristic of this new approach lies in its low sensitivity to spatial parameters and high sensitivity to frequency domain variations. In other words, instead of being affected by small positional or structural differences, the method responds primarily to how information is distributed across the spectrum. This brings us naturally back to the concept of denoising in the frequency domain. By sweeping across the entire range of normalized frequencies, 0 to 1, we can perform an optimization governed by the principle of J-invariance. At the core of this calibration method, J-invariance ensures that a denoising function predicts the value of each pixel without relying on that pixel's own intensity in the original image. Instead, the prediction draws upon all the relevant information from the rest of the image, which in most structure patterns is remarkably informative. Moreover, any denoising function can be transformed into a J-invariant one through a masking procedure, which effectively hides the pixel under evaluation and forces the algorithm to infer its value from surrounding context. The problem: noise and sensitivity. The method deals with a system that is low sensitivity to parameters. Small changes in the system's settings or parameters don't drastically change the result. This is a good thing for stability. High sensitivity in frequency spectrum. The noise is best described and removed when looking at the signal's frequency spectrum, how the signal's energy is distributed across different frequencies. This is why the focus is on the frequency domain. The approach: denoising in the frequency domain. Because of the high sensitivity in the frequency spectrum, the strategy is to clean up the signal by working with its frequencies. 1. Frequency domain denoising. The noise removal, denoising, process is applied to the signal's frequency components instead of its raw, original form. 2. Sweeping frequencies. The process is systematically tested, sweep, across the full range of possible normalized frequencies from 0 to 1. This is like checking all the channels to see where the noise is and how to best remove it. 3. Optimization with J-invariance. The key to finding the best cleanup is an optimization technique called J-invariance. The key concept: J-invariance. J-invariance is a specific, clever rule for how the noise removal function works. Standard denoising. Usually, to figure out what a noisy pixel's true value is, a denoising function would look at the pixel itself and its neighbors. J-invariant denoising. A denoising function is J-invariant if the prediction it makes for the true value of a pixel does not use the value of that specific pixel in the noisy image. The power of neighbors. Instead, the prediction for that pixel uses all the information from the rest of the image, its neighboring pixels, etc. Since most images have a lot of structure, the surrounding information is usually enough to accurately guess the missing pixel's true value. Implementation: masking. Converting to J-invariant. Any standard noise removal method can be forced to follow the J-invariant rule using a masking procedure. Masking in simple terms. This procedure essentially masks out, ignores, the value of the pixel being predicted. It forces the prediction to only use the information from the remaining pixels, thus making the function J-invariant. Thank you for attention.